Guys, we always start here on top. We're gonna be looking at USD. We're gonna be looking at what we call Nasdaq. We're gonna be looking at Bitcoin and gold. What else? No, guys. I want to not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm gonna put it aside because sometimes when USD pairs are affected, when the dollar is affected, so everything is affected. Everything is affected. Everything is affected. So when the dollar is affected and you place all the trades that has to do with the dollar, it becomes a problem. It becomes a problem when one trade, when the dollar reacts the other way, because now, which means all your trades gonna be affected. Yeah. If it was by me, guys, we'll be waking up each and every morning at 5. We analyze the chart and just say, today we are taking this trade, we are taking this trade, we are taking this trade, not this one, and we'll see we are gonna be more profitable. But now, not now. As time goes on, yes, we'll do that. Yeah. We'll do that. Okay, 2 people are waiting. Okay, people are starting to come. Vuvu, are you in?
I'm in. Thank you.
Vuvu, why are you late?
Network.
Hey, Mwamaka.
Nyani,
Mwamaka. Okay, cool. Okay, Uncle Lego, my mentor, he's not around. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. Okay, yeah, guys, I don't want us to trade most of the time to trade the pairs that to analyze all the pairs that include USD because sometimes we get affected. Yeah, it affects because anything that USD, it will affect USD, it will affect Nasdaq, it will affect gold as well. Euro USD, GP USD as well, GBP USD. I mean, so guys, let's start from the Nasdaq. We're gonna look at Nasdaq and we're gonna look at USD Nasdaq. Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask something?
Kimame.
You are saying when dollar affected, anything will be affected. Affected by what?
I'm saying what if maybe we analyze all the pairs that has to do with USD. Ne?
Okay.
So what's gonna happen is if USD is affected, let's say we have placed all the trade that have USD. If USD is affected along the way, because there are always news that affect the thingy, like it happened on Thursday. I remember on Friday as well in the morning. So now what was happening is if you are trading the pairs that has to do with USD, you are gonna be, if they go against you, which means you are losing all of them. If one goes against you, which means all of them, they're going against you, because all of them they're affected. They're under USD. Like USD, if anything that has to do USD, it affects USD. Nasdaq USD, it affects USD. Gold is include USD because it goes in pairs, like especially the currencies. Gold and USD, pound and USD, USD JPY, Euro USD, anything that has to do with USD. I would like us to analyze at least 2 pairs that has to do with USD, and thereafter look for other pairs that they don't include USD. Just in case USD gives you a time, you can always look at other pairs as well.
Okay, I get you. Thank you.
Okay, cool. So we are here at USD, yes, USD. We are looking at USD right now. Let me just move this. I don't need it. Let me just hide this. I don't want this. Sorry, just want to do something here. Just go off. Yeah, hide this and my screen. Good. Yeah, so about that. So now I'm looking at USD. When I look at USD, we start from 4 hour and just check what is happening, because I've been looking. I analyzed this one on Friday. On Friday, I was busy analyzing. Yeah. So here, when I look at USD for next week, I can see that now this pair is here. This index is here. It's just few, I think it's few pips away from creating new highs. Yeah? So I said last week we're gonna see the new highs, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen. I said we're going to see the new highs, but it didn't happen. We are still here, but we are much closer to where we're supposed to be, because I was predicting the new highs by this time. That's okay, which means it would be on the new highs maybe, or it should be pushing down. Yeah? But here I'm expecting what I'm expecting when it go to 1 hour and look at this pair again. I'm looking at this pair because what happened last week, there was a good sell on this pair. There was a good sell starting from here. I think we're going to go in 15 minutes away. We're going to see it nicely, whereby because we don't enter here. Yeah, because when you look at this pair, it has been in this channel, correct, guys. This is still a correction, guys. This is the whole of this is still a correction. Okay, let me just use my pen, the one that doesn't want to move away. The whole of this is still a correction, guys. Still a correction here. Whole of this. I don't know if you get me. It's still a correction. Is that in a correction, you always find impulse and correction inside a bigger correction. I don't know if you get me.
Yes.
Do you feel me, guys, on this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, cool. No, it's fine. That's good. We are together. So there's always a bigger correction. So here, let me go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, now, oh, okay. I said A again. This thing is, I have to do this. Okay, and remove this again. Cool. Now we are on 15-minute chart. So if you look at the market from here, this is where the market gave us so many pips. Hey guys, I gave you this signal when we're trading, or on Friday. I don't know, man. I don't know, guys. If I even if you are working, just keep on checking, guys. I gave a signal from here. Who still remember? Guys, because you didn't make money here. Here you were gonna double your account. I gave you a signal here. I said we must sell under here, and I said our target was here. And what I said again, I said if the trade keeps on moving, don't lock your profit and let it run. You see, and because the target, the thing I gave the target, I said no, it should get here. It did get here. Yeah, you can go. I can go even to the thing to the. Okay, let me just show you guys. Let me just show you this trade. Let me just show you this trade. Okay, what is happening now? Why my icon are hiding now? Where are you hiding now? Where are you hiding? Why are you not showing up now? Okay, I can't go to my thingy now. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let's just do this. Where are you? I don't know why this thing is hiding. Now I'm showing you some stuff that you're not supposed to see, but anyway, there's no secret here. Because I want to show you this trade, man. Where's my screenshot? My screenshot are here. Okay, Willis want to come in. These are the screenshots that I normally send to the group. Sometimes I'll say it and just say, yo, confirmation. Okay, I want to show you the US stage, the one that I want to show you the trade. NAS results. Okay, these are the results of NAS. Gee, I just said result. Let me just check if it's not this one. Okay, why is not opening? Why is not opening? Something is wrong here, guys. Somebody's bewitching me. Sorry, something is wrong. Something totally wrong. My screen is blank now. It's like, serious, my screen is blank now. I don't know. I don't know why this. I don't know really. There's this trade. There's this trade. I gave you this guys this trade from here. These are the results though. It's the same trade that I'm talking about right now. It's the same one. It's the same one. So because it was here, and I say sell, and it came here, it hit here, it hit our target, and it came here, and it moved back. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So I wanted to share that each and every time when I share a signal, sometimes I share a signal before it before it hit that price. Yeah. When I share a signal, guys, please, can I stop sharing for a second, because I don't understand what is happening here. I don't understand. Can I stop sharing for a second, please? Bear with me. Oh, there you go. Push. These things, they just came up now, which means somebody was wishing me really for real now. Exactly. Yeah. Somebody was doing that. I think this mood is coming from Rustenburg. Oh, friends, what kind of mood are you?
Hayi. Asenze kanjalo la.
Yeah, guys, I gave you the seat, and it went down here, and it pushes up. And on Friday, the USD has been pushing up, guys. The USD has been pushing up, but it's not pushing up in an impulse way. Like here, when you check here, it has been pushing down. It pushed down like never before. It was pushing down like never before. Else to do, you can't enter. Ne? It's been pushing down like never before. Not like never before. They say it was an impulse. But here you can see that it was pushing up, coming back, pushing up, coming back. Yeah, if maybe you were like, for instance, if maybe you were, let me not use that word. If maybe you were lucky, or maybe your instinct told you that, okay, let me place this trade here. Like I placed the trade here, but I put my stop loss, I think above here, and it kicked me out because I was expecting this trade that it was gonna go with me. I planned to hold the trade till it get to this level, because I thought it was gonna, when it gets to this level, that's where I was gonna take my profits. And it did get to this level, but because of me trailing my stop loss, I brought my stop loss very close to the price, because it came and retest to this area. Yeah. So yeah, with USD, I still expect USD to shoot up. That's what I still expect. But if it happens, this is for the week, guys. Yeah? If it happens that it doesn't shoot up, yeah, what I'll expect USD to do, I'm expecting USD to do this, to come here, retest this line, and push up. That's what I'm expecting. If it doesn't happen like that, if it breaks this line, I expect USD to create a correction here. To create a correction here, a small correction. Let me use my pen, although it's gonna give me a hard time. To create a small correction here and shoot down, come to this level. From here, it can shoot up straight. So if it breaks here, I'm not just gonna sell, yeah, but I'm gonna wait for correction. But if it doesn't happen like that, if it doesn't happen like that, what I'm expecting the thing in the market to do, I'm expecting, okay, the market to come here. Oh, hey, that pen again. Hey. I expect the market to, okay, no. Let me just use this one to remove it. Bear with me, all this market, and I expect USD to come here and push up. If maybe, because you can see, check the level where we are at right now with the USD. Check where we are at. It's like creating the double bottom, the double top. I mean, the double top is in this line. So this line here, the possibility it can shoot up, and it can, but because it went up, somebody's making noise. Somebody in his background, there's noise. Because it's double top, né? Because the trade went up now it's in a correction manner. I believe that it might go down. It can catch other people in the wrong side of the market, because the possibility again, it can just go a little bit up in a correction manner, né? And from there it shoot down. Okay, I've seen the market doing this, and it normally does this. Do you see what I do? What's gonna happen when it goes up, people gonna buy here and put their stop below here, and the trade would create a correction and shoot down. That normally happens because it move. Yes.
I don't know what is going on, but my screen is blank.
Your screen is blank.
Yes.
Not my screen.
I can't see your screen.
Can anyone see my screen?
Yes.
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 Yes. You can see my chart, ne?
Yeah.
Sister
Yes.
Tabang,
Yes.
Sister Tabang, can you log off and log in again, please? Okay, I think that's one will help you. Guys, are you okay? Okay, she's fine. Like guys, that's what I always say. That's what I always say. There's a danger of trading. Okay, there she's coming back in. That's a danger of trading support and resistance, because here, as I'm saying, what we see. Tabang, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Okay, cool. So here, as I'm saying here, that guys, here is a double top. So what I'm saying here, because if you trade support and resistance, what do you expect? What do you expect the price to do here? Is to push down, isn't it? Because here is a double bottom. It's a double top. I mean, so you expect the price to push down. But when you trade in pulse and correction, what do you normally expect? We say it depends. How did the price get to this level? Did the price get to this level in a correction manner, or did the price get to in this level in an impulse way? No, the price is correcting, going up. So hence I'm saying I'm expecting that the price, what it can do, it can create another correction here and shoot down. That's what I'm expecting.
How do you know? How do you know that it creates a correction?
How do I know that it will create it? Because we are trading patterns, guys. The impulse and correction are patterns. The patterns is something that has been happening all over again, all over the years. The market moves in the same direction. That's what people are failing to study. That the market moves in the same direction each and every time. The market will come and create the double bottom. We know that. The market will come and create the double top, sometimes triple top. We know that the market will do that. Definitely it will do. It's something that has been happening all over again for the past 30 years. The market has been doing the same thing. These are technical analysis. Yes. Guys, this is a possibility. This is a possibility. Okay. This is a possibility. Normally what happens is most people, they get caught because they think that this is a double bottom, a double top, I mean, and they place a trade and it goes up and they put the stop loss underneath here and it comes back. How many times the market has done that and you think that's okay, this is a double bottom, is a double top? How many times? A lot of times it depends. Yeah? So yeah, it does happen, guys. Now I'm looking now. I'm checking here, guys. Something similar to what I'm talking about. Something I'm checking for. Though you see, guys, here. Check here. This in this level. Let me take the pen. Check this level. Here, isn't it supposed to be a double bottom? Here, isn't supposed to be a double bottom?
I don't know.
But what happened? Because the price came down in an impulsive way. So check what happened again. Check what happened. Exactly, this is an exact thing that I'm talking about. Yes, but if you go to a small, I want us to go to a small time frame with this one. Let's go to 2 hours and see if it does show. Let's go to 1 hour because I want to check something. Let's go to 15 minutes again. I want that part. Let me just do this. I want that part. Where is it? Where is it? I want that part because I wanted, because on Sunday when we analyze the market, I like the fact that you are asking questions, guys, so that we can learn. Yeah, because I want to show you that in a 4-hour time frame, what happened in a 4-hour time frame. In a 4-hour time frame, what happened? Yeah, the market pushed up here, came back and pushed. It pushed down and came back and pushed up. Let's go to 4-hour time frame so that we can see it nicely as well. This is a 4-hour time frame. The impulse it put because it was impulse, it just pushed up, it pushed down. I mean, yeah. So what is happening here? What is happening? Because you are trading what the support and resistance. Sometimes you even say, take it from here and say, no, this is gonna be an area of struggling. Definitely, the market cannot pass this position. Yeah. What do? You said here, yeah. What happened? The market came back. The market came back. So it depends sometimes how did the market get to that level? It depends. So you must look, how did the market get to that to that level? As it did it get there in a correction manner? Did it get there in an impulse manner? So if it get there in a correction manner, meaning we are expecting that the market will catch a lot of people in the wrong side of the market. I don't know if you understand me on that, guys. I don't know. I'll try and explain and make it simpler because it's very important. Because I've seen most of traders being caught in a support and resistance. Hence, I stopped trading support and resistance. You'll find something like this. This is a property. Mr. D is not an owner of the market. But what I've seen most of the time, if the market push up in a correction manner, this is what normally happens. Create a correction and it push down. And many people here are buying because they say no, this was
come down.
So now it's going up. I don't know if you get me on that, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So as long as the market is not creating the thingy, as if the market approaches the support and approaches that line of resistance in a correction manner, you must don't just buy. If you are trading correction, you'll know what to do. That the market, you must go back and check each and every time when the market approaches the highest point in a correction manner. What normally happens? Get here, it still push up in an impulse in a correction. Go up and people will say, no, I'm buying here now. The candle, if you are trading candlestick, you say, no, the candle is close above this this resistance. Now, of which has become a support. So now I can buy and put your stop loss below here. The market will correct and push down. That's what the market always knows. That's why I always say, sometimes when you guys are sleeping, I'm sitting here studying the market, looking at how does it move, how the market moves. Because the only thing that will make you successful is to understand how it moves.
Yes.
Because if you don't know how the market moves, you'll be always donating money in the market. I'm tired of doing that. I've done that. I've donated part of my money and I managed to get it back. Luckily, thank God, I managed to get it back. So other people.
How are you saying? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've got a question also, just where you are, where you were pointing at the top there.
Yeah.
I'm saying, so at that level, do you have ideas to say after that, you say correction, right? After that correction, it's gonna move for how long going up before it goes down?
To be honest, there's nothing that says for how long it's going. Because what gonna depends now is this correction here. Is this correction? Because you have to wait for it. If it goes up, as I said, I always say, if it goes up in a correction manner like this, it's approaching in a correction manner. It's approaching in a correction manner, approaching this line. You see? Go above here, and it can push down. So now you as a trader, because is a correction, eh? This is a correction going up. You as a trader, you are waiting for the market to break this correction. If it breaks this correction down, you know that is a sell. So, and most of the time, guys, if it goes up in a correction manner, the sell normally, if it go up to the resistance in a correction manner, you know that the sell is going to be a good sell. That's where you can hold your trade. Just as soon as on profit, protect your capital, and from there you fold your arms and you look at the trade. Even if it's a pullback, don't take your profit. Just relax, because if the trade was going like this, approaching the support, the resistance, because this line, guys, on top we say it's a resistance, below it's a support. Ne?
Okay.
Must be clear to those who doesn't understand. This is a resistance. The roof is a resistance. The floor is a support. Just grab that one. Never forget that one. So now, if it approach the roof in a correction manner, we are expecting to sell for long. Yeah? So what I'm expecting here is that there's a possibility. There's a possibility. It hasn't created this correction. Isn't it? It hasn't corrected this correction. I mean. So what I'm expecting now, I'm expecting the market. This to.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Okay, cool.
Sorry,
so now,
sorry.
So okay, cool. Mina with this thing. So what is happening? Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. What is happening, guys? Forget about this. It's fine. What is happening? It hasn't created a correction like this. But if it creates a correction like this, so
Can't hear you now. It's making some funny noises.
Can you hear me, guys, now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So now if it creates this correction, and it breaks this correction, for me, it will be a clear sell. Yeah. So my profit, next profit, my target will be here. My second target will be here. This line is not thingy anymore. It's not valid anymore. My first target will be here. My second target will be here. And it can give me a hard time here because of this. Yeah? But my target is here at the end of the day. If it breaks here, I don't know if you get me, guys. And it can come here, give me profits and still shoot up and not go down. But if it crosses here again, create another correction, I can enter, re-enter, scale in, because I'll be holding. Scale in again, this is a sell. Because what matters the most is that how did the price get there? Did it get there in an impulsive manner? Did it get there in a correction manner? If it did get there in a correction manner, so which means most people will be buying here. You, as a person who knows who's trading impulse and correction, you know that if you create the correction like this, this one is an ascending wedge. So definitely it's gonna push down. You wait for here to break this correction, and thereafter you sell. That's it. Easy. And your stop loss just above the thingy, just above the thingy, the structure. That's it. I don't know, guys, if you understand. Because here we are, it's a learning. Guys, if you've been trading support and resistance, sometimes it will take you some time to understand correction and impulse. It will take you some time to understand it, but as I was trading support and resistance, it didn't take me long, to be honest, because I could see that this was not working for me, and I said, let me start something new. I told myself that I need a student mentality. I want to clear my mind and start something new. So what will help you is to clear everything up at support and resistance. That if it gets here, I see this candlestick, so many things. Because if you read that book by David Matt Douglas, he says most traders, they lose because they've got a lot of information in their minds. There's a lot of stuff in their mind. They are feeding themselves a lot of stuff. They want to trade correction, impulse and correction. They want to trade support and resistance. So now we are being confused. You end up not knowing which is which. Just trade one strategy that is winning for you, that one and for all. Don't stress yourself. Since I started trading impulse and correction, guys, I always give you trades, impulse and correction. You know what those trades, you can see what happens. Like the trade, I was making an example about this trade. The one that I gave you, this one. What did the trade did here? What it did here? It created the correction. Did I sell here? No, I didn't sell. Why? Because it didn't give me any reason to sell. I waited for correction, or after that, I said, okay, cool, let me just sell here. I sold here, and I'm good. So you must always wait for impulse and correction. The market here, I said the market was going up. Yeah, I remember. But what happened? The market started pushing down, and people panic. They close their losses. And I understand if you panic, especially if the US state is doing this, I understand, because here there's a lot of money here in this section from here down here. There's a lot of money here that you are on negative with, so you cannot hold for long. But if you have a bigger account like me, you can hold. Yeah, because I knew it was pushing up, because even the news was saying that the US state has managed to recover. So for me, it was easy. And I placed more position as it was going down. I placed more position. Okay, from here it was a nice buy, because there was a correction here, and the news came and alluded in what was seen here. Good people, how would you like me to explain correction and impulse to you? Is it clear? Do you understand, or it sound complicated?
It's complicated.
But Mr. D,
yes, ma'am.
There is this video of yours I watched this morning from YouTube.
Sister Tabang, can you ask me that question when you come, because I think it's gonna kick us out. I'm gonna send a link now to the group.
Okay.
No, sorry about that. This is to this. Okay. Yeah, you can't just, because you see this move here. You see this move here. At least, guys, you get something. You see this move here.
Yeah.
You see this blue candle? Yo, it's coming back against me. No, you don't have to panic, because now already, because your stop loss, where was your stop loss? The stop loss was here. Above here, above this structure. Okay, let me just make it above the structure here. And now the trade moves to this level. You take your stop loss, you put it here. You are not losing anything now. So do you have to panic that the trade is coming back against you? No, if it comes back and kick you out, so be it. But you are safe, you are not losing any money.
Yes.
But what if now you're clear? But now what if you take this, because this is the aim of the banks and hedge funds to make us panic. To make us panic, and you're gonna panic for real. Okay? You're gonna panic for real. So you have to be careful, guys, not to fall for all these things. Not to fall for all these things. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. I don't know if there's any question, guys. There's any question, but I think this one needs more explanation, eh?
Yes, and also we just ask you to just upload this one also so that we can watch.
Just to do what?
To upload it again on YouTube so that we can also go again and watch it.
Okay, cool, guys. No, definitely I'll do that, guys. Guys, if you have time, if you have data and time, it's fine on my side. It's fine on my side. So what we can do, guys, like for instance, guys, look at this. Yeah. Now it's here. A double top. A double top here, né? You see what happened with the price here? It got here and it pulled back. Came to this level, now it's playing around here. Yeah? Did it come here in an impulse way or in a correction manner? Then the first question you should ask yourself, how did the trade come here? In an impulse manner or correction? So if it's
Correction.
if it's a correction, you expect the trade, the price to do what? To create more correction and push back.
So,
That's what you must expect the price to do, that to create more correction and put back and push back.
Mm.
Okay, I think my video is affected now. I think I have to charge my phone. Sorry, can I just push this and just charge my phone?
Mm.
Okay, am I charging it? Okay, yeah, choosing my phone now. Okay, cool. Yeah, so can you still see me, guys? I'm still beautiful as before.
Yes. Yes.
Just kidding. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So yeah, guys. So you wait for it to create this correction. But the most important thing here is patience. Don't just get carried away and say no. I think I'm gonna miss out. I'm gonna miss out on this trade. Don't just carry it away. No, you wait. Wait. I don't know how many times I should emphasize this. You wait for the trade. Be selective. Don't just trade anything. Any movement you trade. No. You see, guys, let me tell you something. Here, I gave you this trade. I said the target is here, was here. And it kept on pushing down. And when it got to this level here, because you can see here, it's another take profit here. Yeah. As you see here, because it pushed that. You can go and check the voice note, guys. I was sending and say, guys, it's here, but you can hold, but close your profits, close 80% of your profits, and the trade pushed, yeah, above this level, below this level. When it got here, I was skeptical because I said, I don't see this. I think this is gonna be the trade gonna push up again. And what happened? My stop loss was here. I said, yeah, I've made, I think, about $375. I said, I can just take this profit. What if it comes against me? That's another negative thought came to my mind. But what happened? The price still pushed down below this. Look, guys, does this not look like a double bottom for you? The price coming here to this level doesn't look like a double bottom. Huh?
Yeah, I know.
It looks like a double bottom, but the price pushed up, and now because the price push up a little bit, what you panic say, yo, now is a buy. You buy, and the price push back down. I panic. Yes, sir.
Yes, please. When you say close your profit, it means move your stop loss.
Yes, yeah. This is your stop loss. You put here. You close your profit, which means what is above here, it's your profit. The market cannot take anything away from you from here because you have made this money. So the money here, from here, it still belongs to the market. This one is yours. This one is for the market. Yes, you are on it, but you haven't closed it. It belongs to the market.
Thank you.
Okay. So from there, the price pushed down. So guys, I don't know how should I explain this correction and impulse, but I can tell that you need patience. So this is what I'm expecting here. But if it doesn't happen like this, it's the market. I don't own the market. But this is what normally happens. I'm expecting this, guys. This is my expectation. This is a probability of which I believe it will happen. As soon as I create the correction here, that's when I'll know that's okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, good to go down. Yes, sir. Somebody, Lubaba was asking. Luba, were you saying something? No. Okay. Were you saying something? Vuvu?
No.
Okay, cool. No, it's fine. Okay, yeah. And another thing, guys, if it doesn't do like that, if maybe because it's still here. Yeah. I'm trying to remove this. The trade is still here. Okay. Hey, sometimes this thing moves. This trade is still here. Another thing that it can happen is the trade can push here. Yeah. When it gets here, it depends the kind of the correction that it creates here again. Because listen, guys. Okay, let me just start this again so that you can get it. Let me go back to what I was saying. I said if it can create a correction here and push down, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
this is a correction. Because I want to
Yeah.
say something now. This is a correction. Yeah. Let's say now it comes again. It goes above here. It doesn't push down. It goes above here and create the correction in a descending manner now. What do you expect it now?
Sell, to buy.
You buy, now the market is going
To
up.
buy. Yeah.
Now the market is now the market is going up. If I say tomorrow, no guys, now we are buying USD, you don't say, "Hi, Mr. D, when yesterday you say we are selling USD." No, it's a probability. If the market does this, we do this. If the market does something else, we still follow the market. We are following these guys because that they are pushing the price.
Okay.
You see? Yeah, they are pushing the price. So I'm enjoying the session, today's session, man. I'm enjoying it because somebody is learning something. Somebody's learning something. Yeah, somebody's learning something. So yeah, guys, let's move to Nasdaq and see what Nasdaq have for us. Okay, this is Nasdaq. What do you see, guys, here?
See correction.
Okay, guys, you go again. Okay? Somebody said double top. I just saw this again. It's a double top, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, again, I gave you. You see how the Nasdaq and USD moves? They always move the same, most of the time.
Yes. Yeah.
Look at this move. This is Nasdaq, ne? Look at this move, ne? Okay. Look at this move. And now we're gonna go and check USD.
Okay.
What is happening here, guys? Don't you see the same move here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. They move most of the time. They move the same, but sometimes you find that at 3:30, Nasdaq is pushing up and the USD is going down. Have you noticed that? It does happen. So don't be misled. Eh?
Yeah.
You must make sure that you're on top of your game. You know exactly what is happening. Okay. You must make sure that you know exactly what is happening. And guys, I want you to see this reversal pattern. The reversal pattern here. Now, I'm taking you deep, man. Eh? Look at this reversal pattern. What do you see here, guys? What did I say about M format and W format? These are I think reversal patterns. These are reversal patterns. You must put that in your mind. We'll get here when we analyze, because we're still analyzing the charts, we're still getting into impulse and correction. So now we have to understand the reversal patterns now. No, now the price is changing the direction. We have to understand when is the price is changing the direction. Like head and shoulder, WM, W pattern, M pattern, those patterns, they are the reversal pattern. Yeah. So guys, okay, let's go to Nasdaq and not waste time. Because so when I look at here, look at this chart, I expect the market here is on. We are on 15. Let's go to 4 hours and see what check what we see on 4 hours. These are new highs. Let's check here what is happening. There's lots of drawings. Can you see anything? No, there's lots of drawings, Mr. T. I can't see. Yeah, there's a lot of drawings. Anyway, what did I do here? Okay, okay. Whose phone is ringing? Pick up your phone.
Yes, sorry, it was mine.
Okay, cool. So guys, we are here now. Yeah. 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes so that there'll be no confusion. Yeah. No. Why USD now? Okay, we are here. Yes. Yeah. This is USD. This is Nasdaq, guys. This is Nasdaq. Clear my mouth. Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. I think I don't know if my laptop or my software somewhere is slow here because I should be seeing the diagrams now. The thing, the structure. How did I think it? Okay. So, but it's fine. I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't want to confuse myself. It will come. Let me just refresh this page. Sorry. Reload the site. I want to see how long does it take. You see, there's something wrong. Luba.
Hello.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm present.
Right now we're in Bloemfontein, isn't it? Luba? Okay, no. I know that this motive from Eastern Cape, because I know you're from Eastern Cape, but you're in Bloemfontein. It's fine. Continue. Okay, guys, let's continue here. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm.
Yes.
Okay, cool. You didn't get that one. Okay, cool.
Yes.
You are saying
Can I ask something?
Estate. Sorry. Nasdaq.
Can I ask something, please?
Yes, sir.
hello, you were saying
Nasdaq or USD?
It's USD. I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake.
Oh,
I made a mistake. Sorry. Yeah. This is Nasdaq. Yeah, this is Nasdaq, guys. So here, the Nasdaq is moving almost the same way as USD. Can you notice that? Can you notice that? Good people.
Isn't this US30?
Yeah.
Yeah, only USD.
This is US30 now. Okay.
It's USD.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Nas 100 USD.
Yeah, no, Nasdaq, guys. This is nice now.
Yeah,
Nasdaq.
now it's not.
I
No,
know.
it took
Oh,
time
okay.
to do.
I kept on pressing this button, man. Okay, going backwards. Sorry about that. So, guys, we are here
Okay.
now. We are here now on Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, you can see it's moving almost the same. Because here
yes.
it came to this level, create is a double bottom here, double top, I mean, and the price came here. So what do you expect from here, guys?
I think the same thing you explained about NAS, that we must also expect another correction, and it might go up also, or before it go down.
Yeah, it might do that. Let me just. But I'm checking my structure here. This line here, because if you check this line here, we are in an ascending form here. So, and another thing, guys, that can happen, that I want you to bear in mind. Né? If the price, let's say maybe, at the back of our mind, we know that anyway, the price is going to push up, come to this level of resistance. Né? And now we have to wait what's going to happen next. If the price push down, because it can happen that it push down. If the price push down, we must wait before you enter a sell. Wait for it to create a correction. It must give you a correction before you sell it. That is safe for you, because if it doesn't do that, there's a possibility that it can shoot up again.
Okay.
So wait for it to give you correction, and thereafter, after that breakout, your correction, that's where you're thinking you sell. You don't just say, because hey, I'm gonna lose. The FOMO, guys, I was talking about FOMO on Friday, the fear of missing out. Don't allow it to play with your mind. Yeah? The fear of missing out. Guys, the best, the professional traders out there, they're very selective on the trades that they take. They don't just trade anything that moves. They're very selective. That's why they say you must have a strategy. That strategy, you follow the rules of the strategy. The rules of my strategy says I trade impulse and correction. And I don't trade unless I see a correction take place. There must a correction that must take place there, and thereafter I can enter my trade after what? After that small correction. I can't just trade. Guys, we're gonna donate this money. I think it pains me and it hurts me that this money goes to the Pakistanians who are trading wherever they are trading. Yeah? This money that we are losing. Somebody not in Zimbabwe, okay, that's my African brothers, I can't say that. Somebody is maybe in Brazil, I don't know these people, I'm not even related to them. Somebody in England, another white man is taking your money. That's what happens. So as you are saying, Luba, what can happen here? This we can still see something like this.
Okay.
This can still continue like this. Why? Okay, this can still continue. Okay, let me just do this so that it's going to look nice. Okay. Hey, what did I do now? Everything doesn't want. Okay. So this can it can still go up here to experience the third touch here. We can still see this kind of a correction, guys. Okay. So, but it doesn't mean that it's like my thing was not right. Like correct like this and break down. Yes, nothing now look much better. I can just take this one away. Think it doesn't want to go away. Yeah, it can do this, guys. We have to express something like this. So what most people will do, most people will see a candle closing above this line and see a buy, yeah? And put their stop loss below here. Others they will even further put their stop loss here. But what happens if the price comes here and just break here? What do? Do you expect you have to wait for another correction in a descending curve? Okay.
Okay.
Do you get me, guys? Easy.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Also,
yes.
Okay, I was saying, so for instance, like now we are going to sleep and the market is gonna open maybe later.
Yeah.
So
you're gonna sleep. Okay, yeah. I'm just kidding, yeah, guys. You have to sleep. You have to rest. Some of you are waking. Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, if it happens that while we are sleeping, okay, it happens to do these corrections and we're sleeping, but I picked from your teaching that if it opens and then it does these corrections and then it starts moving, when I wake up tomorrow, also I have to wait for another correction to see which direction.
Yeah, you don't say it because it did this correction and break here. So I have just to move in. No. You wait for another. Definitely, it will always create a correction. If it doesn't create a correction, don't answer because you don't know if maybe it might come back. But the correction gives you that assurance that now, yes, I can enter. It doesn't mean that after the correction cannot come back. Listen to me, guys, carefully. It means that it will create a correction here and push down. So there's a correction here. I'm just, my correction isn't good. There's a correction here. You enter here. As soon as push down, you check your stop loss, you put it here. Safe. If it comes back again, it will kick you out. But does it kick you out? Are you losing? No, you're not losing because you move your stop loss to your break even. It kick you out on break even. That's good about this is what is good about this strategy. Because you don't just trade. Like for instance, here, pushes down. If you take a stop loss, you put it underneath here. Yeah? It comes back, it comes and kick out on your stop. It doesn't take any money from you. But maybe you have benefited, maybe you have benefited maybe 20 rand or 30 rand. I'm just making an example. It's not a big money, but yeah. I'm just making an example. But what if what if now the trade, what it does, what if it goes back here, doesn't hit, and you think this now I've made 300 rand, let me run away, and it goes up. Oh, that pain. You take your profits here because you thought it was coming against you, and taking all the money that you have made, and it goes down nicely. And now there's no place, there's nowhere to enter, because once it moves down, if it doesn't give you correction, how are you going to enter? That's risky. That's a high risk. Yes, you can enter, but it's a high risk. Okay. So such things we have to make sure that we check them before we even trade. This is a probability, guys. So yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Can we move forward?
Yes.
So this one has not, it has tended to be something else. We were supposed to look at the market, where the market gonna go next week, but it has become something like a class.
Yes.
Of which I don't mind at all. So what next now? The next thing is for us to wake up tomorrow and trade, because we have taken a lot of time and we have but you guys, if you say you still want to continue with this, I can just, because now we are almost done on our last minutes, I can still send another link and we proceed. I don't know. Let me hear from you in this last minute.
My chart doesn't show it has a gap here. I don't know what's happening. Doesn't show like yours.
Okay, guys, can I post another link and we continue, or we are done for today? We'll see you on Tuesday.
See you on Tuesday.
For me, I don't
Okay,
mind.
Let's see on Tuesday. For now, let us just digest this. And I think by Tuesday, we'll be having some other questions from this also. Maybe let's just digest this one.
Okay, just go on YouTube, check this one on YouTube, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube in an hour's time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Sorry,
guys.
the Friday one, is it uploaded also?